Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I am going to be trying. I wasn't looking in the market for this particular pant. Trust me, I was just there minding my own business as usual. I went in there for something else for one of my kids, and I find myself at the women's section. So I found this pants. It's a cargo pants. It's a jean pants. All right, I've worn cargo pants in the past, and I still have some of them that I'm still wearing up till now. But there's a certain way I used to dress them up back in the day, and I feel like incorporating the back in the day and then now in the day kind of a style to it. This cargo pants, I'm going to be styling it in so many ways that some of you have not seen dressed it up like that before, or you have seen it. Nothing is new under this atmosphere. You all know that nothing is new under the world. Everything is just replicates of what you have seen here and there, and you just put in your own touch. That's always the way I style my own outfits. Particular one that I'm about to share with you all today is not a popular brand, but I just love the way the style they cut it. The only thing I don't really like about it is because I wanted it to be a little bit loose at my thigh, but it's all right. We're going to style it. All right, ladies. But before we jump right into today's video, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And please do like this video, and you can please do share with your families and friends. They might find it informative, entertaining, inspiration out of what I'm about to style. All right, ladies, before we move into today's business, ladies, I received this package from Miss Odette. She's also a YouTuber. She's based in Canada, and she reached out to me and she DM'd me that she was sending something my way. I wasn't expecting it. I want to use this medium to say thank you to Miss Odette. Thank you so much for always including me in your giveaway. I appreciate you. God bless you. Thank you so much. So I got this in my mail yesterday, and I'm about to film today. I was like, you know what, I don't know what is inside, but I'm not sure, but I've seen that, you know, kind of advertising some t-shirts in the past on Instagram. So I'm not sure if this is one of the t-shirts, but we're going to open it together. I only opened this, I didn't open what is inside. All right, so we're going to do that before I move into this video. I don't know if it's a t-shirt. I probably will style it to what I'm about to feature today, but if it's not a t-shirt, you all will see what I received from her, and I'll probably find a way to incorporate it into one of my filming later in the future, you know, very soon, by the grace of God. All right, so I don't want to blab too much. All right, so this is it. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do the, you know, opening it together and see. I think it's the clothes, the way it is. Yeah, it is, yay! And it's purple. I love this color, and I have something else inside. Oh, I have some skincare. This one is from Garnier's skincare. I think it's a facial mask, and I have a lip gloss from another brand, NK Makeup. Inside of it, I felt something inside when I was holding it. I was guessing it's probably the t-shirt, and I don't know what this is because I was feeling it inside the package. So that, thank you so much. I'm going to be using this mask as soon as I take off this makeup, because weekend is one of the time I do a lot of things about my skin, because I want to keep looking very young. By the grace of God, next month I'll be 48. Oh yes, and I give God all the glory. All right, so let me go ahead. I think there's something else inside. Oh, I almost dropped it, but I felt like it was a little bit heavy. Oh, I got a Ruby Grape Jelly eyeshadow palette. This will be so good for this season of summer, the spring, the colors that are in there. I don't know if you all can see it. Look at that. That's so beautiful, and it's portable too. Thank you so much, Miss Odette. I appreciate this. So, ladies, that means I'm going to be incorporating this in one of the style that I'm going to be styling the cargo pants. All right, this is it. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it. I'm glad that this came yesterday, so it can fit perfectly into what I'm doing today. It's a t-shirt. You all can see it right there. And this is what size is this? This is large LG, ladies. All right, though I normally wear small, but trust me, we're going to find a way to make this fit our shape. I mean my shape, to make it work perfectly for me, and we're going to style it up to make it look very sophisticated with what I'm about to share with you all today. Thank you so much, Miss Odette, for including me in this giveaway. I appreciate you. Once again, God bless you. So here is the cargo pants that I'm going to be styling today. This cargo pants brand, it's by the brand called Almost Famous, and size 5, and it has 4 pockets, 2 at the back. No, it has 6. I take that back. It has 6 pockets. We have this is fake one that folds. It's not functional, so it does look like pockets. And we have 2 on the side, which are very functional. And we have the one on the side. They are also very practical. They are functional on this side as well. It's a light blue jean. You all can see it. So this is what we're going to be styling today. In the styling of the cargo pants with this t-shirt that was sent to me by Miss Odette. I love the color. It feels very soft. And let me see what else I can say. It's a little bit stretchy, and I feel like it's going to be very breathable too on my skin. So we're going to go ahead and start styling this cargo pants with this shirt. And ladies, I'm not going to be talking so as not to prolong the video. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please do like and share with your friends and family. And I will see you all by the grace of God in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me.
So ladies, I hope you all enjoy how I styled this t-shirt from Miss Odette. Miss Odette, thank you. I hope you like how I restyle it. You know, I'm all about restyling my outfits and getting use of it in multiple ways. The way I style it is very practical. You can style it like that and you'll be comfortable to move around, because I just made it comfortable, very practical. You all can see that I didn't use too much of anything here and there. It's just a rubber band for your hair that I used to tie it, and that's just it. So we're going to move on to the remaining part of this video. I only decided to pause in between to talk a little bit. That normally this is how people will just say, oh, it's cargo pants, I'm just going to go about my business very casual, because cargo is casual. But in this video, I am going to be dressing it up and let you see how you can style it and make it look more sophisticated. That's the right word I can use, or make it look more girly. Yeah, because you know men do wear cargo too, but they cut them in different way. All right, it is style and cut different ways. We're going to dress it up. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I appreciate you all for watching it up until this time. Please do not click out. It's going to be fun all the way. From now I am not going to be talking, so enjoy the video and let me know your thoughts in the comment section.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
All night long, yeah. We dance with our razor tongues and all day long, yeah. We reset under burn burning sun, catching the waves, inhale, exhale. Reminiscing the bygone time, laugh till we cry, days flying by, flying by. Love on delay, push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for a day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah, and you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday. 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 All night long, we're running too fast on fumes and all day long, yeah. Lying around with our favorite tune, slumber away, inhale, exhale. Dreaming about summer nights with you, sweeter escape, dream wide awake, yeah. Away. Love on delay, push play, let it roll and take you away. Love for a day, replay. We don't care about what they say, and I go on, nah, nah, and you go on, nah, nah. No love on a holiday. No love on a holiday.
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls. Bury my best friend, I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Yeah. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak, yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now.